Hey guys, this is Sukhveer. I welcome you guys on my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notifications. In this video, I'm gonna share with you one trick of Microsoft Word, that is Format Painter. Let's see. Let's learn Format Painter. We can find Format Painter under Home in the clipboard section. This brush type is a Format Painter symbol. What we can do with this, we can copy a format from any element, for example from this text, and we can apply it to any another text. So for example, I applied some formatting here, like I did it italic, bold and underline. I also changed the font size and font of this text. So I want to apply that here. So one way is I can do it manually, like step by step, like I can make it bold and then italic and then underline. However, there is one easy way, that is Format Painter. So to do that, firstly click here. So we have to put our cursor here and then click on Format Painter. So if we click it once, it will copy it the format. So see, the symbol is changed now. So we are carrying the brush. So if we select this text, it will apply the format. So if we want to apply here, we have to do it again. However, there is one another way. We can apply it to multiple places. To do that, same we have to put our cursor here. Then we have to do a double click on the brush. So if we double click it, it will lock the brush formatting, and then we can apply at multiple places. So see, we have applied the same formatting just in a one step. Please like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comment section what type of tricks